In 2025, choosing between T-Mobile home internet and Xfinity depends on your priorities. T-Mobile uses 5G, offering average speeds of 150 to 300 meg per sec. It's available to 95% of the US population and costs $50 to $70 a month with no contracts or equipment fees. The equipment is self-installed. Xfinity uses cable fiber, delivering 101,000 plus Mbit and up to 10 gig in some areas. It's more urban-focused, with costs ranging from $30 to $200 a month plus equipment rental fees. Xfinity requires professional setup for higher speed plans. T-Mobile excels in areas where mobility and simplicity are key, while Xfinity provides raw speed and stability. Let's compare their performance. T-Mobile offers speeds from 72 to 245 Mbps on 5G or 35 to 100 Mbps on LTE, with 20 to 50 milliseconds latency. Xfinity provides 100 Mbps to 10 Gbps with 10 to 20 milliseconds latency. For reliability, T-Mobile has 99.5% uptime but is prone to outages in rural areas. Xfinity offers 99.9% uptime in urban zones but can be affected by cable cuts. Looking ahead, by 2030, 5G wireless like T-Mobile is predicted to cover 98% of the US, potentially overtaking cable in rural areas. Xfinity aims for 100% fiber by 2027. T-Mobile leads the shift to unlimited plans, with experts seeing them as a disruptor that could capture 20% market share by 2027.